besh. Ano sa oras na, besh?
Wait na alas 5, besh.
Ba't ka bumugutom?
Dinner time na po.
So, lamig ka unin, besh, ha? Gusto ko seafoods, besh.
Kupod.
Sa'yo nasa ref, besh?
Bulinaw.
Bulinaw? Sa ba? Ang silain?
Murumuro. Matambaka. Ano pa yung mga gusto na seafoods?
Besh ka ng dili isda, besh.
Oh, dili isda.
Oo, sa ba?
Tahong.
Tahong!
Tahong. Nasa
Sige.
tahong.
Ang luto, di tahong.
Sige.
Sige.
Kasi maayo na recipe sa tahong.
Mag-invent.
Mag-invent.
After a couple of minutes of brainstorming of what tahong recipe we're going to make, we come up with our own version of this 4-cheese baked tahong recipe. We are going to boil first our tahong or mussels and peel the shells open. Add some salt. While waiting for our mussels to boil, let's prepare our ingredients. We need garlic, butter, 4 different kinds of cheese, Edin cheese, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, and cream cheese. Wow! Let's mince the garlic. Then our malunggay for garnishing. Slice the butter into half. Then we are going to blend it with milk. The milk is hot, by the way, so the butter will melt. Our tahong is done, so we have to cool it first for 5 minutes. Let's mix our garlic and into our butter with milk. 5 minutes is over already. So let's place it in the pan and remove the empty shell. Let's put our blended butter with milk and garlic. Then the 4 cheese. Our tahong is ready to bake. The oven is preheated 375 Fahrenheit and bake for 10 minutes. It is already 10 minutes. Let's garnish it with malunggay. Voila! Our baked 4-cheese tahong with garlic.
That's it, guys!
Our 4-cheese tahong. Promise guys, ang sarap.
Yes.
So,
Don't forget to like and subscribe!
thank you for